So we're here in Clovis, California, and we're going to install a gas line over to this existing barbecue. This has been converted to natural gas, and that is what we've been told by the homeowner. They already have a hose connected to it. You can see it here, and it looks like it's about 6-7 foot long. We have the adapter that goes with it. We're going to take that with us. So it's just a quick connect fitting. And then a little 3/8 brass nipple in here, 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Sorry, I'm not taking a picture of it. 3/8 to 1/2 inch little adapter with some good light. Nowhere. And then a 1/2 by 3/4 bushing. So some bushings. Anyways, we want to get this down to here. Gas line's coming in here. We want to go ahead and put the valve on right there so we can start working on it. I would imagine they have at least one water heater in the garage, and we have no way of relighting that since no one is home. So we're going to start right there. Right there, put a valve on it, and then go ahead and 90 down, and then turn it back toward the wall a little bit so it's nice and tight, and then take a piece down the wall over to here, and then once we get to there, we'll go ahead and we'll be down pretty low, about 9 inches off the ground. We'll go ahead and put a 90 on there, and then go ahead and take this adapter, screw it in so it'll be nice, and then we'll find some nice straps for it and get it strapped to the wall, and then go ahead and plug that in, and maybe even test that thing for to see if the flame works and whatnot. Got a plug on it, and that is for something, not sure what it's for, but there's an outlet right over there, so maybe we'll get it plugged in, fire it up, see what happens. Anyways, we'll take another video when we're done. We're gonna call the homeowner right now and give him a price on this. Outside of that, this inspection video is done. So we're still in Clovis, California, and hopefully you can get a picture. I don't want to get over the top of this, but you look down in there, you can see flame there, and flame through there, and anywhere that we go across where you can see flame, there's flame, and you can see flame there. So anyways, we got all 6 burners on the front lit, and they're going and heating up. So we did just want to take a video of it to make sure everything was working correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and shut these back down, off. These are both off. These are side burners. So you can see everything is in the off position. Hopefully 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they're all off, and I don't know what to think. This is rotisserie. Yep, that's probably what that is. Anyways, you turn that on, then put the little attachment in there, and it turns your food around. So anyways, I plugged that in, and yeah, you can see in there it's turning. So that's nice. As long as you got the attachment for that, that'll just sit there and turn your food around and around, whatever it is you're cooking up there. So anyways, I am going to shut the gas back down. Hose is connected. You can see you got lots of room on the hose. Like I said, it's quarter turn on, quarter turn off valve, so that's off right there. It's a Watts 3/4 inch full port ball valve. You had a 3/4 gas stub out, so we went with 3/4 pipe, dropped it down, and then just took a little offset fitting, a little 90-degree turn, a little pipe nipple right down here, because we wanted to hug it tight to the wall. And so you can see the pipe is right up against the wall, all the way behind. Everything doesn't conflict with any of the existing copper stub out. Looks like a relief line for a water heater maybe. And then your AC equipment sitting right here, and then your electrical cord that's coming down. So it just floats back through there. You can see doesn't conflict with anything. We did go ahead and find some framing in the corner here. Drilled some holes through the stucco and got some 3-inch anchor screws in there. Those are stainless steel, so you should be fine. All this pipe is galvanized iron pipe, which is rated for outdoor weather. If you use the black pipe, that begins to break down and corrode, so it's all iron pipe, should be fine. So I'm going to leave the gas off. When you're ready to use it, just quarter turn. There you go, and then quarter turn off. So that installation looks good, and it's strapped real secure. Don't stand on it. I mean, you know, it's not designed to stand on, and honestly, this piece of equipment is so long, you know, it's going to hit this column first. You know, this column sitting right here, you know, it's gonna hit this column and the wall before you can get it any further back. So anyways, it's extended a little bit further out from its center of wall. So, you know, you can push it back until the equipment hits, or you can push it back. Well, I would push it back till the equipment hits, you know, which means literally this feller with this lid open is going to sit over there. And then this guy, I mean, should probably go all the way back and roll it in a little bit. And you can see that lid just kind of, and you don't want to crunch that line coming out of here either. So you want to keep it kind of off the wall a little bit. This could probably go back a little bit more. You can see there, and then it'll hit that line. So it opens up nicely in between the framing of your two walls here. So that's good. But I would keep it slightly away just so you don't kink that line, and also so that you're not slamming into there excessively. And it's just clearing this little box right here. So anyways, hopefully that's good. You know, try and keep it off that attachment right there. You know, that's as good as we can do with pipe nipples. Next one down would be 6 inches, so I guess we could have come in a little bit tighter. But anyways, it's in, and hopefully you're pleased with the installation. We're going to go ahead and bill you out. And outside of that, this installation is done.